Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dipping your toes into the exciting world of cryptocurrency but feel overwhelmed, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through buying crypto on Robinhood, one of the most user-friendly platforms out there. Whether you're a complete beginner or just want a quick refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. First off, make sure you have the Robinhood app downloaded on your phone or access it via their website. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is straightforward. Just provide your email, phone number, and some basic info. It's free to get started, but remember, you'll need to be at least 18 years old. Once you're logged in, the next step is verifying your identity. This is crucial for security and regulatory reasons. Robinhood will ask for details like your social security number or ID, and it might take a few minutes to a day to get approved. Don't skip this. It's standard for any trading app. Now that your account is verified, it's time to fund it. Link your bank account or debit card through the app's funding section. Start with a small amount to test the waters, as crypto can be volatile. Only invest what you can afford to lose, always a smart rule in investing. Alright, let's get to the main action. Open the search bar in the app and type in the cryptocurrency you want, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin. Robinhood offers a variety of options, so pick the one that interests you most. After selecting your crypto, decide how much you want to buy, either by dollar amount or quantity. Hit the Buy button, review your order for accuracy, and confirm it. You'll see your purchase in your portfolio almost instantly. Finally, keep an eye on your investments through Robinhood's dashboard. Prices can change rapidly, so set up notifications if you want to stay updated. As a quick tip, always do your own research and consider the risks, like market fluctuations or potential fees. And there you have it. You're now a crypto owner. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.